8:30 a.m. She's she's drinking water again. I mean, it's either on schedule or she's fucking with me. She either has like this natural schedule where she drinks water at 8:30 a.m. or she knows I'm starting to stream, so she comes in here and starts drinking water to fuck with me. I don't know which one it is. She's a pit bull, so she's probably fucking with me. They'll get you, man. You gotta watch out for them. And pit bulls. They got sense of humor. They will mess with you. What's going on, guys? Peter, what's up, buddy? This is bothering me back here. All right. Oh, baby. I'm itching to trade. I got a couple setups I'm looking at. Benjamin, good morning. I took no trades yesterday. It was a no trade zone. I need to see a little more market structure develop on Bitcoin. But I'm looking at Bitcoin and I have two trades I like. Adrian, good morning. Today's going to be an interesting day. Hi, Ian. These BTC head shorts in the private group from 6405 though, oh boy, they're up almost $1,000 in profit. Just holding. Just holding. It's a hedge. Market goes down, you hedge your altcoin positions. Between Stellar, Lumens, NPXS dividends, Bitcoin hedge shorts, things are all right. Oh, and those all in 3x perp swap longs, DGens at 53.50 up to 55.25. Wasn't half bad. We're doing all right. We're doing okay. I need Storm to do something though. Kind of holding a bag of Storm right now because I averaged down in 3 spots and I plan to. Adrian, what asado? 2 p.m. in Paris. So it's midday for you, huh? Adrian, how's the weather in Paris? How is the weather in Paris? I was bad boy last night. I had a chocolate peanut butter milkshake. I looked at my wife and I said, baby, it's been a long time since we've had ice cream. And I say the words ice cream to her and she's like, yeah, right fucking now. So I made a deal with her. I would go get it and take the dogs if she cleaned the kitchen after dinner. And so she said yes. So I took the dogs and we fucking went and got some ice cream. I mean, what a deal. I'm in deal making mode, man. Alright, let me tell everybody I'm live. Why are you chewing your bone in here? Now you're chewing your bone in here. Can you guys hear him chewing his bone? I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll be alright. I got all my life to live. I got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Oh, yeah. Global warming. Pretty strange, man, for the season. So hot. Global warming really not good looking. Let's see. Paris, France weather. 45 degrees Fahrenheit. What's that in Celsius? I'm going to guess 15 or 16. 7. I really nailed that one. All right, so Celsius is 8 times hotter than Fahrenheit. 8.5 times hotter than Fahrenheit. Well, let's see. 20 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit to Celsius. -6. That's not right. Okay. 100 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. 37. I don't understand this, man. All right, so oh, there's a formula for this. Oh. It's the temperature minus freezing times 5/9. So if it's 50 degrees, it'd be 18 times 5/9. 18 times it'd be 10 degrees. So 50 degrees Fahrenheit is 10 degrees Celsius. 50 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Fahrenheit's still better than Celsius is. I don't have to do math for Fahrenheit. Just look at the fucking temperature. What's the Fahrenheit degrees equation? Multiply then. Yeah, I mean, it's just the inverse, but interesting. London is freezing, boy. What's London temperature right now? 51 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not freezing. It's 19 degrees away from freezing. So this should be about 10 to 11 Celsius. 11 Celsius, yeah. Yeah, England's gray and cold today. Isn't England gray and cold every day? Isn't that how this works? England is like our Seattle, Washington, I guess, where it rains all the time, from what I hear. You guys enjoying your Brexit bullshit? You guys having fun? Where are all these euros coming from? We have Paris, London, and Berlin here. That's like it's like the 3 biggest cities in Europe, right? Are there any other bigger cities in those? I don't know how big like Rome is or Istanbul or, but I guess those are 3 of the biggest cities. London's got to be the largest. London and Paris have to be the 2 largest. I'm not. It's shit. Brexit doom. Look, I'm not going to say much on this. I just think it's sad that the people aren't getting what the people voted for. People voted, man. Give them what they want. What they want is Bitcoin to be the digital the currency of the country. Rome is huge. I want to go to Rome and eat pizza, but I want to order like Papa John's there just to piss everybody off. You know? Have you guys over there in Europe tried Papa John's? You want to talk about good value for the price. Papa John's is your friend. Here's how you do it. You have to get thin crust, well done, square cut, extra sauce. So thin cut, well done, square cut, extra sauce. And you can just get cheese on that. I mean, it's fucking life-changing. It's incredible. There's no point in voting. Correct. There's no point in voting if what you vote for doesn't happen. One degree Celsius equals 1.8 Fahrenheit. Yeah, we're going to look at XRP. Let's get going. I love talking to you guys, man. I could do that for hours. All right. I think I'm going to be coughing a lot. My voice is dry. I got a little water here. This is like my water goblet. I got it for like $7. Keeps it cold. I love good deals, man. Papa John's sucks. No, it doesn't. It's look, the three main pizza joints are like commercial cheap ones are Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's. And out of those three, especially for what it costs, Papa John's whips ass. They actually use fresh ingredients. Domino's is okay, and Pizza Hut is fucking terrible. You know what sucks? I live next to one of the best Little Italies in the country, in the United States of America. Okay? Huge Italian population here. Massive. And it's, by nature, continuously voted like the second best Little Italy in the country behind New York City. Well, although if you have been to San Diego, their Little Italy is fucking awesome. And so I say San Diego's is the best. But the pizza is really expensive, and it's okay. It's okay. I haven't found one that I'm like, oh yeah, that's the one. So I just ordered Papa John's, save a bunch of money, enjoy myself. It's pizza, man. You can't fuck up pizza. All right. Let's get going. Tired of this shit. Bitcoin on the daily. Close outside of that trend line. Twice. Trend line. No longer valid. No longer valid. What are we looking at here? Well, first, look back at that volume. I was screaming, no volume. And then by the end of the day, yeah, there was a lot of volume. There was a point in that dump when it was like, dude, this ain't on the 4 hour, on the hourly. It's like, this isn't a lot of volume, man. And then we had a lot of volume. So yesterday looks like a fucking bullish hammer thing, right? Awesome. No follow through today. Now, it is a higher low. That's a big thing so far. If we zoom in, let's go to the hourly. Almost looks like an inverse head and shoulders. The right shoulder isn't deep enough. What's important to pay attention to here, I think, is real body closes on the hourly. We get a real body close above 55.90-ish on the hourly. Well, I think I'll tell you where I think we're going. Let me go to the 4 hour. I am lining up this 4 hour 20 EMA. I've had these bids in since yesterday afternoon. And we go to the bottom of this drop. Boo! The 0.5 fib, I always tell you guys on the way back up, is a bitch. Okay? And we should get a flattening 4 hour 20 EMA if we can get a move up here. 47.30-ish. I'm gonna front run that level a little bit. Should be a nice little short scalp, right? Funding is at, damn, shorts paying longs 9%. Woo. Should get us up there then. I will add my position at 5860 to 5900, like straight up. Short that 6,000 level all day. That's a 618. There's more longs than shorts right now. Why are you chewing your bone, dude? People can hear that shit. It'll be interesting to see. But I'm looking for shorts more than longs right now. Okay? Because unless this is a wick off spring, I want to short the retest of 6K. Okay. Okay. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? You're interrupting the stream. Sir, you're being rude. You are. You're interrupting my stream by chewing your bone. Thank you. Damn dog. All right. God, I love them. I mean, just look at this, right? There's 2 levels that you could retest on this. Let me get rid of this fib here so you guys can see some shit, right? There's 2 levels you could really test on this. I'm going to call it, you could do from the bottom of this wick, right? Because that was the range. Let's just call it from the real bodies of this zone. That's like 58.35, right? That's what we really didn't want to break. Well, we did. So like shorting that zone, knowing that 618 of the drop is right back there. Daddy's in on that one. Daddy's in on that one. That's for sure. I mean, it doesn't have to be a world-changing short, guys. I just think we'll meet resistance there. Take some profits, put a break-even stop, see what happens. But, like, I'm trying to trade without a ton of risk right now. I'm trying to build this BitMEX balance up. Unless this is a wick-off spring. Okay? Let me show you a wick-off spring. Damn it. This is a spring right here. Break a little bit lower, and boom, boom. Immediate. This candle was the start of the greatest bull run in modern history. That day. What if this is it? Ooh. But bet your ass I'm still looking to long 5K on futures. Okay? I'm looking to long 5K on futures. So in order for us to get up to like this zone that I want to short, it'll probably flip funding to where longs are paying shorts. So I want to be short at that zone, right? And get paid funding. But I'm looking for a futures position in March futures right around here. Okay? I am. Fucking sue me. Looking for it right around here. And again, you don't have to hold futures positions any longer than you have to hold a perpetual swap. I have my head short going, man. I'm planning out a bunch of scalps, trying to like good ass scalps. There will be demand at 5K. There will be demand. People have been waiting all year to long that shit down there. The fork is behind us for Bitcoin Cash. Hash wars aren't. But Craig's just a fearmonger, man. I'm not too worried about him. Fuck him. Not trying to deal with that shit. Bitcoin Cash is now disabled. I can take this shit. Is it like literally done trading? It looks like it. Bang, son. No more BCH on his feed. Yes. How funny is that, man? Boy, did they fuck up. So now we got to do SV. And ABC. Bitcoin Cash ABC. God, that's so funny. Boy, did they fuck that one up. We could trade this shit, though. Just not yet. I'm cool on that at the moment. Just wait. Just wait. But, alright. ETH BTC. ETH USD had a nice little run yesterday. This actually might be fucking good, right? And I'll tell you why. Like, look at that. This is not a new low, guys. This is a falling wedge. Like a legitimate falling wedge. Whether you draw it from the real bodies of the wick or just the wick to the wick, still a falling wedge. I like my little blue line here. But either way you draw, it doesn't matter. I think this is going to break up. Because if you look at ETH BTC, that did not make a new low. That's a higher low, homie. That's a higher low on the daily close. That looks awesome. Now let's come over here and let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Oh, baby. I don't think that's going to break up, man. I don't. And we should fib this to see when it breaks the 236. That will confirm it for us. It's below it. It's lost it. And we could even be super safe do the whole move. And it's right above it. So be super safe. We'll do that. It's right at it right now. Bitch, close one more day below 51.85. And we're coming down to 45. Like straight up coming down to 45. Maybe even 42. I'm just saying. Like, let's be honest here. So this would paint the way for alts to boom boom while Bitcoin's doing its shit. You guys got to understand, because Bitcoin fell, I would argue it's a better catalyst for an alt season. Its dollar value went down, so SAT values can go up. Everybody knows Bitcoin's got to go sideways for a while now. Unless it wants to V-bottom, but I doubt that. I mean, it could. I don't necessarily doubt that. I just, with this Bitcoin dominance thing. Anyway. So what I'm trying to say, let's go to the 3-day here. It's easier for alts to run now. People know that the money now to be made is going to be made in alts. Like, straight up. It's going to be easier to make it in alts. We can pump that shit. Bitcoin ain't where it's at right now. It could be, but it's not. Oh, yeah, dude. Just one more fucking day below 51.85. We're at the 0.5 on the way back up from this entire drop. This is resistance. We'll see. Market cap as a whole. Ooh, ooh, oh, baby. There's where that line comes from, guys. Hold up one second. Hey. Tell all my Noahs that be acting too soft. We don't play. Where'd my All right, here's the thing. This is a bullish divergence. Slightly higher. I checked the RSI values. Right on macro 786 support. Macro horizontal support. Resistance turn support. Could be fun. Could be a fun time for all involved. If we look at the market cap, so let's look at altcoin dominance. Stop it. Oh, quit it. All right, let's look at altcoin market cap. It's a higher low. Hello? This was just painting new market structure all along. You dirty dog, you. Here you go. We have market structure. Holy moly. Go sideways all the way through here. Carries right out of here. Things don't look as bad as you think. Like you step away for a minute and let the dust settle and you come back and you're like, ah, it's not nearly as bad as I thought it was. Let's look at Tomo while we're here. There you go, bitches. There's your 618 I told you about yesterday. Come get some. I said 5,000 sats. I still park some around 4,000, 4,200, 4,400-ish. But, damn. Tomo is releasing its mainnet December 14th. Okay? Like, this thing is actually a product now. Making it, comparatively to other cryptos, severely undervalued. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. $16 mil. Number 221. Such a low total supply. Anybody want to bet Tomo won't see $5 within the next year? That puts it at $275 million market cap. Like, that's a lot. How many coins have $275 million market caps? $28 of them. I didn't say it has to stay there. How many have had $278 million market caps? $76, yeah, $276 million market caps. Call it 275. Probably 100 at one point. Probably more than that. Did Aeon had to have had $1 billion market cap at one point. Nah, 500 milli. Wow. $10 in Aeon. That fucking failed. Doesn't look half bad. All right, let's look at the standard. I know you guys are here for the standard. Look at that. It's ugly as fuck, though. So ugly. Stop it. It's not a lot of volume. It's at resistance. I mean, shouldn't you technically short this shit? Here's your stop. Just making a market stop. I don't know what this is. So ugly. It's not a lot of volume, man. Not for the standard. If we move this down, is it at 236? It's above it. It's bullish, but it's not because we need to do the whole move on this one. Ah! 618, meet 382. 618, meet 382. Damn, man. What to do? It's so ugly. I mean, I don't even know how you want to trade that, guys. This is like the fucking ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. That's not a pattern. It's gotta be 4-hour cloud bullish. Kind of. What the fuck? No divs yet. I mean, is this a trend line that's really playing out here? It's moving average bullish on the daily, guys. It's finally got the what it needs moving average wise. I'm just nervous to short it because Here's why. This. They kind of look alike. If it gets going right now, they kind of look alike. Like, we could literally be right here. Right here. We could literally be right here. Right here is where we could be. Getting ready to go. I just need a little more time. I mean, there's your setup, though. Short it. I mean, you'd have to do it on BitMEX, obviously. Stop over 8,700. Do you really want to get out in the front of this fucking thing, though? It's tough. Everything's right at their 4-hour 20 EMA. XLM. Trying to go. Is this going to be the one? Where's XLM on Binance? There we go. Not a lot of volume. God, please make new all-time highs, because I have a fucking bag of this shit. We bought at 3,500, and it's treating me so well, and I just think we deserve it in the ARK. Oh, looks like bullish engulfing on the 3-day. Oh, baby. Hello. Not a lot of volume. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Looks good. Give it to me. All right. So is it 3-day cloud bullish? No Kumo yet. I figured. I mean, that's Binance. We can look at Bittrex for this. It's 3-day cloud bullish. Kijun's flattening out like a whore. Boop. Lagging spans above cloud. This is 3-day cloud bullish. Isn't that what you want? Don't you want something to be 3-day cloud bullish? It's full on cloud bullish on the daily. When was the last time this thing was cloud bullish on the daily? It wasn't for very long right there. Man, we could be on a real fucking edge of a bull run here with Lumens and Ripple. And that bodes well for the rest of the space. They've both got what they need other than volume to get going. We just can't FOMO in at resistance, man. There's horizontal resistance up here. Just gotta be patient. You guys probably hate me for saying that, but it is what it is. What's NEM doing in the daily cloud? No. Put an accumulation pattern on NEM. March from June. Was this the trend line meant to be all along? Looks like it. Still got resistance of these wicks though. It's got more to put up here. But like this could be what the altcoin market cap is doing, guys. Kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulders and then it failed. Came back, made a higher local low, and continued on. This isn't as bearish as everybody thinks it is. What's Tron doing? Tron made a higher fucking low on daily candle close. No volume. This probably isn't a bad place to buy POA. 786. Just get it up to the 0.5 and 382. This should be a good trade. Probably not a bad place. No selling volume on the way down. There was another coin I was looking at that had no selling volume on the way down, and it was it Storm? Yeah. It closed yesterday back above this trend line of this wick. We just need to see more, but this fucking thing needs to bounce, man. It's way too long. I think it will. All right, let's look at cash. And we'll look at cash on here. Because there's some setups that I'm liking, and cash is one of them, guys. And I would buy this. Look at that daily candle close. Look where it's at right now. I think it's starting a new run up. I do. No volume. Yeah. Daily RSI is out of control already, though. That doesn't matter. Real Jesus. That's symmetrical as fuck. Support turn resistance is your 236 at 59.23. Kumo green out of the daily cloud. Have at it, fuckers. Buy this shit. Looks really good, man. I think you can get on Huobi and Bitfinex. Let's look. I'm sure there's some other shitcoin exchange you can get it on. Yeah. Do you guys have Liquid Exchange? Because I don't. This thing had an 850 billion market cap or million market cap one time. It's at less than 10x of that, or less than 10% of that. And these are levels to buy. What's Dragon doing? Higher low, man. Not a ton of volume. I don't know. I'm not giving up the dream, man. A lot of these look good. I feel like it doesn't matter where I look. Like, 786 bounce here, like on no volume on a drop. Like I would buy QSP. OMG just gave us a fucking higher low on a daily candle close and wick. And Bitcoin broke yearly support, and this is what alt charts look like while Bitcoin's at 236 resistance of its dominance. I'm not a smart guy, but I like to say that some shit's looking all right. What's MFT looking like? Trendline bounce, high or low. I'd buy the fuck out of that. Even Litecoin Bitcoin, dude. How it's holding this 886, where it bounced the last time on its market cycle was this 886. Right down here was where it bounced. I'll just go back to the day chart for you. So, and let me just extend this so you can see what I'm talking about. From bottom of the market cycle to top, it bounced exactly at its 886. So bottom of the market cycle to the top, it's bouncing exactly at its 886. Lower low on price, higher low on oscillator, and it has a daily bull div. Not only that, but like it's got a 3-day bull div on its fucking USD chart, man. Look at this. Lower low on price across the board. Absolute significant 3-day bull div. It's got room to make a bull div. It can fucking go lower. I don't think that's it. Almost made a bull div on the weekly. Oh shit, my computer's in charge. What am I doing? I didn't even put this into... Obviously, I haven't looked in this in a while. This could absolutely be a false close below. And if it fails here, 3180 is up next on Coinbase. But all the time you see in between 886 and 9.93 bounces. It doesn't have to come down and test at 0.93. No volume on the drop. I'm not just trying to paint a narrative here, guys. This is like... Link is still going. Yesterday closed as a doji. It's still got volume. This fucking thing might want more. Good night. Good for it. IOTA, high or low? Bitcoin broke yearly lows. IOTA, yearly low. High or low. GVT. Just came back and tested. Where's that from? Oh, it's this range. Horizontal support. Not a massive amount of volume. But it's a higher low. Yeah, it had a long way to go, though, so we'll disqualify it. Gas. Higher local low. Fuel. Higher local low. EOS. Held horizontal. Higher local low. Enigma. Holding the lows. Doge. Might be time to buy Doge, bro. That's a daily bull dip if I've ever seen one. There might even be a 3-day one. I doubt it. Not yet. That's a hidden bullish divergence. Yes, it is. On the 3-day. Digital Bytes badly needs a fucking Binance listing. Uh-oh. You didn't do it, did you? Oh, you fucking did it. Oh, you did it. RIP BitShares. Not really. It should be alright. BNB is going lower. Down to 120K. This is too long for a Head and Shoulders, but it looks like a Head and Shoulders. I think it's going down to 120K. It's starting. It's... We'll see. Did Cardano hit, or did VeChain hit my 136? Yes. 138. Should bounce here. All I'm saying, folks, is all is not lost. ARK, holding the lows. All right. ICX. Holding wick lows, dude. Even fucking Icon. Holding the wick lows. 76.70 on a daily close. That's all that matters. Bang, son. Even fucking Icon. Even can't get right. That's a 3-day bull dip if I have ever seen one. Not a lot of volume. That's a very distinguished 3-day bull dip. I'm shocked. Will we see 6K again? Yes, we will see 6K again. We'll see fucking 100K. It's just a cyclical market, man. I bet you Craig and Jihan dumped Bitcoin to pay for their mining wars. I bet you they did that. I bet that was them. Because it was led by spot markets. Dragon's fine. What is Bytecoin? A shit coin? Can you look at scroll, please, sir? Don't call me sir, but yes. Guys, I'm a fucking shithead just like you are. And you don't gotta call me sir. I appreciate it, but you don't have to call me sir. Call me Noah. I say that lovingly, by the way. Like, don't call me sir. You don't have to call me sir. 236 resistance. Daily close over like 1411, man. That's bullish as shit. This looks like a rounded bottoming pattern. I bet the best days are ahead of scroll, not the worst. That's all I'm saying. If you're selling right now, you're selling the bottom. It could go down another 30% from here, but you're selling the bottom. Get a second job if you have to. I would not be selling here. Dash, high or low? Dash USD even threw up a higher low. I'm fucking shocked. Zcash, high or low? It's the coin that can't get right. High or low on the US dollar pair? What? Bears typically go into hibernation around November 19th, I saw. Dude. I'm not saying, but I'm just saying. Stellar Lumens is 24.5 cents. I never thought I'd see the day that it was actually 24.5 cents. I might want to come back and test 9 cents according to this, but that's nonsense. You know what I'm saying? The USD chart on Stellar Lumens is a thing of fucking beauty. Higher lows across the board. We just got our first local higher high, all off the 786. That's a daily candle close above the higher high. It was a false close, but watch it reclaim it. Let's get back above that, baby. It's Polo, so of course there's no volume. Zcoin, high or low? Wanchain, high or low? This is insanity. Did high hit 13 sats when I told you guys to buy for a fucking month? It did. Anybody buy right there? I told you for a fucking month to buy at 13 sats. When it was back here, buy it right there. I'm buying it right there. Did you buy right there? I'm done playing games, boys and girls. I'm fucking kicking ass and taking prisoners. Please tell me ETC went down to the new lows. Even you've got to be kidding me, right me out. Even ETC didn't make new lows. The most useless coin in the world. It's got a good dev community, so it's not the most useless, but it's the most useless coin in the world. Nobody's going to build anything on this. They'll go right to Ethereum. Mark my words, nobody will build anything on Ethereum Classic. It will just pump when the rest of the market pumps. And look at it. Now, it likes to have also the store value at the same time. I understand where it's coming from, but it's not the worst project in the world, but it is. You know what I'm saying? What's QKC doing? Just continuing on. Hanging out with his friends. Hitting the trend line. Bouncing. 236 resistance. Poly. Just a support resistance flip. Nothing big. Nothing major. You know. Just continued healthy-ass price action. No big deal. This trend line doesn't matter, by the way. Because over the grand scheme, this trend line could become this. Until we start going parabolic on pullbacks, trend lines won't matter. Hit my first box. That one should be a pink box. Because that's what we do around here. No. No. There you go. Yeah. Very nice. Look at silver. Messing with people. I mean JP Morgan Chase coin, that's what I mean. Even sub didn't make new lows. Now, come on. Even Tesla didn't make new lows. You guys remember when I told you to buy Tesla right there? I'm sorry, right there? Remember that? I'll show you on Twitter. No, it was right here. Tesla's going higher. Even Monero didn't go lower. This is very good. Higher lows give you a chance for higher highs. Kids, say it with me. I'm not being optimistic. I'm being realistic. Bitcoin has a block halving in like a year and a half. You don't think we'll see 6K again? You know Bakkt launches in like 28 days or something like that? You know that, right? Physically settled Bitcoin futures with custody. Not cash settled. Settled in Bitcoin. Starbucks, bro. Starbucks. Steffi canceled her XLM orders thinking BTC will cause it to go down. Did you learn something, Steffi? About buying blood? Did you learn something? Have you guys learned something? I've always said this because I feel like it's pertinent, and I feel like it's the only way to talk honestly to yourself in these markets. And so I say it all the time. And Steffi, I'm not saying this to you, but I'm saying overall, there's a saying. It's DBAP, okay? You got to say it to yourself in these markets, otherwise you'll shit your pants all the time. And it's called "Don't be a pussy." And all that means is pep talk to yourself all brash, pep talk yourself up, get back in the game, and get at it. Don't be scared. If you have a plan forever, chances are you got a plan forever. That's why I'm long a 50-50 on Bitcoin March futures. Yeah, I mean. What's up, Royski? Royski wanted me to... We already looked at cash, bro. It looks fucking good to go higher. DBAP, DBAP. Guys, get tattooed on yourself. Only in a place that you can see. Like maybe like on your kneecap or something. Or like up your leg and you just hike your shorts up and you when you need it and you're like, okay, don't be a pussy. All right. Royski, I already did cash, bro. Looks like it's going higher. I'd buy it. I already own some. So, it is what it is. Oh, yes. I got a fucking lift coming up, man. My lift today is a big one. I got a big lift today. Here's what we're doing. You guys need to exercise today. Everyone, you need to get off your asses and exercise today. It's Friday. You need to end the week the right way. There are no excuses. All right. I have chin-ups. I used to be able to do like fucking 20 chin-ups in a row like 3 times. And I'm at 888 right now. All right. I'm going chin-ups. I'm going 10, 10, 8 today. Deadlifts. Chest machine flies. Barbell curls. Lower back machine. Donkey calf machine. Glute extensions. Leg press. And standing calf raises weighted. That's what I'm doing today. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to hit Chipotle afterwards. I'm going to get me a 1,300 calorie burrito. I'm going to shove that shit down my locker. I'm going to come home. I'm going to have an avocado, plant-based protein, spinach, kale, blueberry, cinnamon, smoothie. And then I'm going to shower. Live on stream for all of you. I did LTC, Justin. I'm glad you're here, buddy. LTC BTC looks legit. Looks good. Rapunzel, when is the time to sell a kidney to buy? It's funny you say that because we are about to start offering that as a service. Listen, man, God gave you 2 kidneys for a reason. Okay? Guys, God gave you 2 kidneys for a reason if you got 2 kidneys. Whoever your God is, he gave you 2 kidneys. Or her. If it's they. I'm being politically correct for once in my life live on stream. If you don't want me to shower live on stream, you need to hit the like button. We like to match kidney buyers with kidney sellers. We're a brokerage for kidneys. It's KCM, Kidney Capital Management. Yeah, I'm on a calorie surplus on lifting days and still losing weight. All right, Cubs, you said my brother just texting me asking, should I sell my BTC and alts? For fuck's sake, he needs to get his ass in his group. Yes, he does. I'll tell you what you need to do. You need to go to your brother. You need to look him in the eyes. And you need to ball tag him very hard. And you need to point at him afterwards and say, don't ever fucking ask me that again. And then smack him in his face and say, DBAP. And walk away. And don't talk to him for 2 months. He needs a big punishment for what he just asked. Don't be the dumbass that sells at the bottom. Forget the hodl shit. Forget all that hodling and no. We're just not pussies, okay? You can say if hodl's your power word, then go after it. Yeah, DBAP, dude. Straight up. Yeah, now just text them back, Cubs, and say DBAP, bro. Altcoins aren't making lower lows. Not even on the USD charts, they're not making lower lows. Johnny Mags, what are you doing here? Well, hello. Yes, ball tag him in the middle of deadlift. And say, DBAP, dude. You guys want to make DBAP coin with me? An incentivized token structure for not being a pussy? All right, bat. Hey, no huff and puff. Male lady's your friend. Oh, back above 4K. Shit. 0.5 resistance. Back below diagonal resistance. Horizontal resistance right there. 618s go to 382s, but it's behind the 0.5. No volume, not yet. Not yet. There's strength and solace in the words not yet. Sometimes I'll say them for like 3 weeks straight. And then sometimes I'll say, yeah, right fucking now, baby. I got plant-based protein. It was at Whole Foods, and it was 10% off, plus $10 off, plus $3 off, because I had a coupon. It's $10 off on sale. With the Whole Foods app, you get 10% off of sale items. Plus, the rep was there, and she gave me a $3 off coupon. And plus, when we use our Amazon Prime credit card, we get 5% off back at Whole Foods. So it was no brainer to buy it. And plus, I'm not big on whey protein because it makes baby's tummy hurt. I am not a vegan. But I like good deals. Here, Cubs, mark this timestamp down. It is 1:11:40. Cubs, tell them to come to 1:11:45, okay? In the video. Cubs brother, now listen to me right now. You stop being a pussy, okay? Quit being a pussy. I mean that lovingly, all right? Get on the arc, get on board, watch these streams, understand where the market is. We haven't made lower lows and alts. No, you shouldn't sell your shit. You should buy more. Dollar cost average in. Get your share. You don't sell the bottom. You don't sell the bottom. Are you crazy? I'm about to have a come up. And you want to sell the bottom? Generational lows? Come on, man. I know you're not stupid because you own crypto already. I know you're not stupid. I know you're smart. I know you got balls of steel. Time to activate them, man. If you're related to William, you got balls of steel, dude. Okay? And it's time to hold. Stake those fucking coins, put them away, get a second job, buy more, make it happen, and just wait. Because a boom boom is going to happen. Oh, hear me, you. The boom boom will happen. And you want to be on board for that. And the only way you can guarantee that you're going to be on board for that is to fucking be on board. Okay? You made this decision. It's easy to make decisions when everything's going pretty, but when it gets ugly, do you dig your feet into the ground or do you run? You dig your feet to the ground and you say, I'm not fucking leaving. Like Leonardo DiCaprio on Wolf of Wall Street, you say, I'm not fucking leaving. This is my house. You get balls of steel, you get a little pride, okay? And you dig your feet in, and you stand where you are and you hold your ground. Okay? Do you think the soldiers in World War II at Normandy on D-Day, do you think they wanted to storm that fucking beach? Do you think each one of those guys said, I want to storm that beach? Hell no. Okay? When they were trying to storm that beach and dudes were getting fucking slaughtered left and right, that was the bottom. And they could have ran away like a bunch of pussies and tried to save lives and lost that battle. But you know what they said? They said, no, that's my fucking hill. I'm taking that hill. This is my hill. Okay? And collectively, like ant mentality, they climbed that fucking hill and they beat the shit out of the Germans. No offense, Peter Kasky. No offense, okay? But they took that fucking hill because they had the will to do it and they dug in. And that's what you need to have. You need to have the will to take that hill, okay? If you lose your puppy and you search for a day and you don't find it, you don't stop looking for that puppy and go home and sit on your ass. You get off your fat ass and you find that fucking dog. All right? Show them that, Cubs. Some of you needed to hear that too. You guys like Billy Madison? Because that was that dog thing was Billy Madison with Miss Lippy. Oh shit! Did I scare you guys away? You guys scared? Oh man! I'm going to have a good fucking lift today, that's for sure. I was on Black Ops 4 right before this. I dropped a 50 bomb on Nuketown. And so that's good. I discovered many alt charts across the board that haven't made lower lows. And I just gave an inspirational talk. And I got a lift today, and it's going to happen. It's the weekend. So, we're at 19 likes right now. I need to see 20 likes. Please. I need to see 20 likes. Many of us will be millionaires, Rapunzel. Don't forget why you guys are here. It gets really emotionally hard at the bottom of the bear market. I've seen a couple bear markets now in crypto, okay? This will turn around. This will turn around. As soon as I get 20 likes on this video, the market will reverse. Hear me, you. I'm excited, man, because I got these BCAAs when I'm lifting fasted. I'm excited. They just sold me a bunch of bullshit, basically, probably. I need to get this without artificial sweeteners in it. It's got 0 sugar, but it's probably got aspartame. It better fucking not. I don't know. I doubt it does. I doubt it has aspartame. Nobody uses that shit anymore. Hey, I got 22 likes. All right, guys. Time to make it 50 likes. Jasleen Singh. Join late. Sorry, mate. Thanks, man. Thanks for the 20th like. I appreciate that. Sorry that you're late, man. We gave an inspirational talk. We looked at alt charts. A couple Bitcoin trades. I'm buying cash. My wife left me. I'm just kidding. No, she didn't. One more. Somebody gave a dislike to the video? Come on, that hurts. What have I done to you? I was kidding with the 50 like shit. Come on, take that dislike off, man. If you don't like me, just don't watch. I was joking with the 50. Benjamin Vornick said, and I hope I'm saying your name right, I don't give a fuck to be a millionaire. I just want to be financially independent. Yeah, man. I mean, a millionaire is just a status. You just honestly need to be out of debt. That's what you guys need to aim for. Everybody just get out of debt. Like, honestly, your life changes when you're out of debt. Your life completely changes. You're no longer a slave to the system. You are running your own life, and it's just a system of, am I making more per month than I'm spending after that? You can save. You can give. You can help people. You can go on vacations. You can, even if, like, you're not rich and stuff like that, but if you have no debt, and even if you have no debt, but a house payment, okay? It's like technically what they would call good debt, even though you're paying a lot of interest. But even with that, you're still going to probably have a house payment anyway, unless you paid your house off. That's really awesome. But other than that, like if you have, let's just say a house payment, no car payments. I don't believe in car payments. That's why I drive old cars. Then all your bills are like food, utilities, and fun. So I just think it's a good idea if you guys, use crypto to try to get out of debt, because then your life changes. You have no stress. Like, money is an issue only to people who don't, like, money means something only to people who don't have it. Okay? And then once you have it, you don't think about money anymore. Like, it's just there. So get to the point where it's not an issue anymore, because you're not enslaved to every 30 days making another payment with interest. That's what I think everybody's goal should be. And then if you make more than that, awesome. Like, really cool. Which you probably will if you're in crypto. Just don't be a dumbass and 10x leveraging everything in your portfolio. So, all right, guys. You know I got mad love for you. Today is Friday, so I won't be back on a Crypto and Coffee until Monday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Mark it on your calendars. I will be there. So, yeah. I want to see more on a lot of shit on a lot of charts, but there's some that I am liking. So, do I have a hodl bag for cashing in down the line? Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. I have 3 portions of my portfolio: long term, short term, medium term. Medium term are like multiple month swing trades. Short terms are just quick flips, and then long term hodls are like deflationary coins and staking coins, platform protocols, mixtures of all of them. So, you in the group on the weekends? Yeah, not as much though. Although neither of my pro football teams play this weekend, so I don't really think I have a lot going on. I'll probably be in the group a lot more this weekend in both of my groups, private group and Crypto Critics. So, what coins am I holding long term? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Icon, Lux, Cardano, VeChain, Neo, Dragon. I have some Ripple, I have some Aeon, some Dash, some Cash, some Tomo, Nebulous, a little bit of Verge just in case. I have some Sophia TX, Neo Gas, obviously. I have some NEM, A-Chain. Those are my holds. Some Sumo. You honestly, guys, Jocelyn has it exactly right. The only coins you really need are Bitcoin and Litecoin. They cannot fucking fail. Bitcoin Cash is pretty much failed now. Like, Litecoin won that one. Litecoin's a big winner there. Don't fucking confuse it. Litecoin long term is the big winner of Bitcoin Cash fucking up. Bitcoin was going to be fine no matter what. Yeah, if it takes another year or 2 years before coming back, takes another year or 2 years. But, like, it's not going to. It's not going to. It'll be a maximum of like 6 more months, in my opinion. Maximum. Just 99, hold your buttholes tight. You know what I'm saying? It'll be all right. This market's is cyclical. Like, BTC and alts are decoupling right now. Do you guys notice that? BTC and alts are decoupling in their price action? That leads, always leads to an alt season. When alts stop going down, when BTC does, that leads to an alt season. Look at history. It's always been like that. So, all right, guys. I'm going to take off. I love you with all my heart. Please like the video. Please subscribe. You can put notifications on, and then it'll let you know when we're going live. So, the best is in front of us. The worst is behind us. All right. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Don't smoke any crack or meth or anything like that, all right? One love.